This is a review of the Power Air Fryer XL, and I've had this unit for a long time, and I wanted to go through some of the features that I really like about it. First and foremost, how easy it is to use. Now, you can see the basket comes out very easily. You press this red button here on top, which will release the basket, and that allows for easy cleaning. You put it back, and basically anything you want to fry, you put in here. French fries, zucchini, there's several recipes online. It goes in and turns on right away. Now the power button is up here. You can set the degrees. It goes up to 400 degrees of cooking, which is very convenient. Now it's got these preset options as well. You can see up here, French fries, pork, shrimp, bakery or cakes, chicken, T-bone steaks, and fish. So all these are preset, or you can put the temperature here on the side and it starts up right away. It does provide even cooking. Sometimes every few minutes you want to just pull out the basket, shake things up a little bit, and then I'll put it back, especially when I'm making fries. That way it easily crisps them evenly on both sides. You can put the temperature up and down. And overall, it just provides an easy cooking experience, and you can clean it very easily when you're all done. It's healthy because you're not using a bunch of oil. And overall, I would highly recommend this air fryer. It's one of the best out there.